visiting the Niagara County SPCA, the town of Wheatfield, one may actually come across 4 curious landmarks. These landmarks are 4 lampposts that are all that remain of the Wurlizer Company Factory Avenue lampposts. There are 2 of these avenues that radiated out from the front of the factory into a V shape. And once they radiated out, they came to a boulevard and to the south side of what is now the storage unit site today. They're made of concrete and pebbled and reinforced. And once they were relocated, their original tops were probably either broken or fallen off, so they replaced them with newer ones at the time. This is the 1970s when this was done. Late 70s, I want to say. They were originally installed at the site, at the Wurlizer factory, about 70 years earlier. So these posts then are basically a century old. And here's the last one. There are 4 of these posts all together, serving a new purpose and a new place, dedicated to saving the lives of animals and helping them to find forever homes for them. You can verify that they're the same posts by their internal construction, based on the remnants of posts that were still there by the time the area was redeveloped recently. One more of these posts can be found at the Palatine Father Shrine on Niagara Falls Boulevard. So all told, from those 2 grand avenues, just 5 bits remain. And you can find 4 of them at the Niagara County SPCA.